Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey trendsetters, welcome to my channel. So today I am showing you all how I am sectioning off and going to do these Boho Island twists. So as you can see, I am going row by row, but what I like to do is I like to pre-part and section off my boxes so that they can brick lay. And I do this because it just gives me a seamless install, and also it shows me, if I'm even on the same row, kind of checking, making sure the boxes are congruent to one another. And all I'm going to do is put some gem in between my parting and continue to section off. So yeah, I just want y'all to see how I do this step, and then I am going to come back and show you the actual install on how I install the hair into the boxes that I pre-parted. Okay, now we're gonna hop into this install. So pretty much, as you can see, I am starting off the section into 3, and I am going to go ahead and feed in my first strand, and I am going to flip it over. And the reason why I like to start it at the root is because I like the even and consistency of the braid. Sometimes people go ahead and braid it off like 3 times and then install the hair or feed in the hair, and honestly I do not like that look from skinny to big, so I go ahead and feed it off at the root. So as you can see, I probably fed in probably like, I want to say 4 to 5 pieces maybe, because she definitely wanted them like a medium look, and I would definitely want it to be even with her head shape, kind of just going into the flow of her head shape, not too big but not too little. And as you can see, I start off by braiding at the root because you want it to be in for the long run. Some people started off by go ahead and twisting it, but I like to braid it first because of the longevity of the hairstyle, and then I split it into 2. And as you can see, I take that first piece and I twist it clockwise to the right, and then I also do the same to the other side, and then I go ahead and twist while I'm twisting, kind of like that Senegalese type hairstyle. And I continue to do that to conceal the hair into the synthetic hair so that it could pretty much, her hair is not sticking out. I also jam it on my way down, and then when I get to the ends, I am going to go ahead and take a piece of the synthetic hair, and I am going to wrap it around at least 2 to 3 times just to hold it together. Now some people use glue, but I personally don't like to use glue. I'm also going to feed in some boho hair at the bottom just to have her curly ends, and so it can go with the look. So yeah, pretty much that's what I am showing you right here, me tying it off and making sure that it stays. So the next portion of this, I'm doing the same thing, but this time I'm going to show you how to feed in your boho pieces. You can definitely do it like this. Go ahead, start off by braiding it at the root, and just for extra security towards the top, you can go ahead and feed in that boho piece while you're braiding so that it stays just like you would do a boho braid. Then I'm going to split it into 2 again. Go ahead and take both pieces, turn it clockwise to the right and the same to the other, and kind of twist while I'm twisting on down. And also, if you want to feed in more pieces, you just go ahead and feed it in, but make sure you are twisting that boho piece inside of your hair, synthetic hair that you fed in, and make sure you're twisting as you're twisting so that that boho piece can stay and that it does not come out. And pretty much y'all gonna see the end result. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I hope that this tutorial helps you. If you have any questions, make sure y'all leave it down in the comment section below. I definitely will answer them. And yeah, I will see y'all next time, trendsetters.
Thank you for the pain that came along. Thank you for the journey. Thank you for the learning. Thank you for the sing another song. Ain't no way you gon' leave me wrong. Ain't no way you gon' leave me lonely. I'm just so thankful you know me, and thankful you stayed to hold me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just wanna